Stacy, you know what this is? You know what I want for us?
There's someone else. I've fallen in love with someone else.
Beautiful Miss Mary Jane Watson has just agreed to marry me.